Hello, my name's Bennett. I'm a pediatric ICU physician and informaticist at the University of Colorado and Children's Hospital, Colorado. I'd like to invite you to attend my talk at WFPICCS in July, titled AI and Machine Learning for Clinical Prediction. AI and machine learning are already having significant impact on all of our lives in the technology industry and are beginning to have impact in our jobs as clinicians. And that is likely to increase. And I'll talk about some of the ways that these important technological tools will impact and change the way we work in the future. Thank you, and hope to see you in July.